Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Pacifica is equipped with ventilated or cooled seats and they are not working. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, right here. To remove the cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you have a small fuse diagram, and right here a fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the ventilated seats fuse is this small 15 amp blue fuse located right here, and this is the Fuse F91. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.